Hey y'all, I am Saya and I'm back with another video. So today we are doing a ninja bun tutorial, so let's jump right into it.
Picture perfect boy, you're just the right dose. You're the antidote, kissing every part of me, making me invincible. You keep on us learning these roadblocks, body shocks, hot locks, on the edge of this trouble starting.
Okay y'all, so I'm starting with freshly washed, blow dried hair. As you can see, let me shake it because my hair has grown a lot. It is very full and thick. So we're going to grab everything we need. Your hair, your edge control, your brush, your hair ties, your gels, everything, okay? Let me give my hair a little shake before we jump into this because the growth is amazing. Okay, so this is castor oil. This oil helps promote growth and thickness and fullness of the hair. I love it. So I'm going to just put some on my scalp before we begin. It's really thick, so just try to get it in there and then rub it all through so you can try to get every spot. And yeah. So now, as you can see, I'm just brushing my edges out so I won't get any excess product on it. Here I'm taking my gel, smooth it all through my hair, smooth, smooth, smooth. And then I'm going to grab my handy dandy brush. Brush it out, smooth it back. Yes. Smooth it all going up. Make sure you smooth everything in the back up because you want all your hair to be in that hair tie, okay? Nice and smooth. Perfect. Now, grab your handy dandy hair tie and tie your hair up into a ponytail like you would do a regular ponytail. Boom, mine's broke, so make sure you have an extra or an extra hair tie or a rubber band on the side to replace that in case one does break. So you can go ahead with the process, okay? I have a habit of breaking hair ties. Like, I always break hair ties. Like, ain't nothing new. Boom. So now that we got all the hair in the hair tie, thank God, we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so now grab your hair, your braiding extension hair, and tie it around your ponytail like so. Throw it back, fluff it out a little bit, give it a little shake. Okay, so now we're just going to twirl it. Gather your hair, you want to twirl it and twist it around. And as you are twisting around and twirling it, you want to make sure that it goes under the first loop you made, if you see what I'm saying. Like that first twist right there, boom. You want to tuck under each time you wrap, so it's creating like a stack effect or something. I don't know the words, but hopefully y'all get what I'm saying. And then with the excess hair on the ends, just make sure you wrap that all the way around and then tuck it so it can be secure. Okay, now take your brush, go over your hair, smooth it out now. Smooth it back. Okay, so the rest of the video is basically self-explanatory. I'm gonna just fix my edges, make sure everything is straight. And yeah, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And comment down below what you would like to see next. Bye.
lights.